Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple serum, face serum, and let's get to it because I'm going inside right now to do it. Okay, so let's get to it. As I mentioned before, that we're going to get to the serum. So today we're making this face serum, and you can use this for acne, and today we're using vitamin E, tea tree oil, we're using frankincense, and we're using lavender, and also you're going to be needing your carrier oil. So today we have 2-ounce bottle, and you can see I have my gloves on already, and so we have the syringe to go in these 2-ounce bottles. Normally what I do is I will use a 1 ounce. So the recipe that I'm going to be put up for you today, it is going to be for the 1 ounce. And if you need to gotta wipe my hands here, guys. Some oils get on my hand for some reason. So this is a tea tree. So what I was saying is, normally what you'll do is, the recipe I'm going to be put up is for 1 ounce bottle, but if you need to make a 2 ounce like I'm going to be doing here right now, you need to double up on this recipe. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you hear me not talking anymore, that means I'm counting. So it's just this bottle is so hard to open. Got it though. So if you hear me not talking, that means I'm counting. Like now I have to concentrate on counting. Okay, so we're gonna top this off with some carrier oil. And I don't think I have enough in this bottle, but if you see me pause, I am gonna run to get some more or just refill this bottle because I have a huge 2 liter of this oil here into a huge bottle. So sometime I'll just go ahead and I just refill. So just give it a good shake. Normally what I love to do is put my oils down. As you can see, I spill a little there. Put my oils down for 2 weeks so the oils can get to know each other and blend together. As you can see, I spill a bit there. I don't know yet if I'm gonna be able to put labels on, but by this video finish I will see if I can. But you make sure all these things are wiped off with all these oils because I just have a lot of spillage just now. You can see my gloves. It looks shiny. And you make sure you clean your bottle properly with some rubbing alcohol. And what I start notice is that I got hand sanitizer to use to clean my bottles, and it clean well, just like the rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna give this a good clean. And if you would like some more information, guys, and what these oils do, give me a buzz or drop me a line, and I will surely give you some information. And again, you can use any carrier oil you want, guys. You can use fractionated coconut oil, you can use bobo oil, you can use almond oil, and almond oil is what I use today. You can use any oil whatsoever you want. And if you want to know what carrier oils are there, let me know and I'll surely give it to you. So as you can see, I have some labels here that I used before, and I just print this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I put these labels on, the right way and the wrong way. Also, I've been doing this for so long, and I still get it wrong sometimes. But let me show you how these labels goes on. So just make sure you don't have any oils in these bottles, because what will happen is the label will just slide right off. So let's put this way in the bottom, and I'll show you what will happen. You will have so much room up in the top there. So this is the wrong way to put it on, because you can see it's all the way in the bottom and it's crimp all the way in the bottom. So you can see I just spoiled that one on purpose. So what you wanted to do is, because the bottle is big, you put it right in there, crease it in the middle, carry it over to the other side, make sure there's no air bubble, and this one is perfect. Do the same thing again. And you can see I make sure I clean the bottles properly, so I know these labels won't come off because there's no oil on these bottles. And it is stick properly. So that's a right way to do it. So I want to show you again how I do this from the beginning. Here is the rubbing alcohol, because I skipped this from the beginning, and just give it the paper towel a good squished in, make sure it's in there, and just give them a good wipe. I didn't show you this from the beginning, so that's why I wanted to repeat this video a bit so you can see how I do it. And for me, what I do sometimes is I try not to get the rubbing alcohol or the hand sanitizer on the soft rubbery part of the bottle, because if you do it, sometime what will happen, or what I notice will happen, is that the rubbery part of it will get cracked over time. Just give them a good shake when you finish, guys. For me, when I put labels on and I'm ready to put them away, I give them a good shake before actually store them away. And always store these bottles into a dark place. I mean, they're into a dark bottles already, but I love to store them into a darker place again. and these oils will last for all entire year, guys. If you make them now, then next year this time your oil is ready to expire. So make sure you use them up in less than a year or in a year, and you will be ready to go or ready to get a new one. And these oils, and how to use these oils, just 1 to 2 drops in your hand, depends on where on your face you're going to be rub these oils. You can also use them underneath your makeup. You can also when you're ready to go to bed. As you can see, again, this is the wrong way. You put them on in the morning, put them on in the evening, and yeah, the benefit of these oils are wonderful. Like I said, if you need to know a little bit more about these oils, let me know. One day when I have enough time, I will go ahead and tell you all about these carrier oils and their benefits. So as you can see, I do the video all over again for you guys, just to show you again what's happening. In the beginning of the video that I showed before, I didn't show it all. So as you can see too, I give those a good wipe again. And here's a finished product, guys. I am finished, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and take care, guys. Always make sure when you finish doing all your little stuff, you put everything away. Bye for now.